Hello viewers, how to fix Gemini video option not showing problem? Let's see how to fix it. For solving this problem, first of all, long press on Gemini app, tap and hold, tap on I button or app info, tap on storage, tap on clear data, tap on clear case, OK to confirm, then go to previous page and make sure your all permission is allow all permission one by one, then force stop, OK to confirm, and go to home page, go to Play Store or App Store and search here Gemini. Update your Gemini app to latest version, then open your Gemini app and tap here. By doing this process, you can successfully solve your problem very easily. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.